Okay guys, this is one of those videos where I keep on trying to do this voiceover and messing it up. This is the look that I'm creating, and it's inspired by someone called Donna Kayo, I think. I'm not sure if I've pronounced that right, but that's the inspo. So I've prepped and primed off camera, done my tip application off camera, and also a thin layer of clear acrylic off camera. So I'm coming in with my coloured acrylic now, and I'm also using this to build the structure of the nail. This is called No Filter from Glam and Glitz Colour Collection. They gave me a discount code for my followers, which is Emma10. Hopefully that's still working. Give it a whirl, I suppose. And the brush that I'm using is my Diamond Nail Supplies size 12 brush. So yeah, I'm just going to let you watch my application here, and then I'll come back in a minute to explain my filing. So first of all, I'm coming in with my metal hand file, and I'm just kind of tidying up those side walls and free edge. And because these are a kind of rounded almond shape, you'll notice that when I'm shaping the very tip, I'm holding my file flat underneath the nail. That just helps you get a really good even rounded tip. So if you're struggling with shaping your almonds and things like that, have a go at putting your file flat underneath, like it really works well. And then I'm just coming in around the cuticle area with this fine grit cone carbide. I find that this is really good for helping you get that tight flush cuticle. And then after I've done that, I'm just coming in with my hand file again and just kind of going over the body of the nail. So I sort of go around the cuticles first, make sure they're nice and flush, and then I go down the body of the nail, and then I sort of blend that apex area into the rest of the nail. I always think that other people are so good at explaining their filing routine, and when I explain it, I think, I don't know if people actually understand what I mean or not. Let me know, because if I'm not being clear, then maybe I'll try and figure out a better way to describe it for you. So yeah, and I'll be back in a second to explain the design. So I've cleansed all the dust off the nails off camera, and now I'm coming in with a fine detail brush and some gold gel polish to make a kind of like oval outline, and I do this on all of the nails. So once all those gold outlines have been cured, I'm coming back in with just a smaller detail brush now and some white gel polish, and I'm creating a smaller oval, making sure to leave a gap in between where that gold is, and I'm just creating a kind of eye shape. As you could have told from the pictures, these are going to be eyes. And then once we've cured those, I'm coming in with just a little dotting tool and some black gel polish to make the centres of the eyes, curing those, and then I'm coming back in with a blue gel polish to just create an iris. In hindsight, I think I would have rather have used a larger dotting tool and done the blue first and then the black on top, but I don't know why I didn't do it that way. I decided to make things more difficult for myself. But yeah, so we do that, put the blue on, cure, and then I'm coming in with a really small dotting tool now and just putting some tiny white dots to give a bit of dimension to those eyes. I've cured those, and now I'm coming in with my red gel polish. I'm just painting the tip and still leaving a gap between that gold line. Yeah, so I'm just going to create all the red tips on these and cure them for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to come in to make the tops of the heart shapes. So to create the top of the heart shape, I'm coming in with another one of those curved lines above the gold line, and then I'm making a little V shape, and then I'm joining the outer part of that V shape to the lower outer part of that line. God, I'm really not explaining myself very well here. You can see what I'm doing, but yeah, to try and make sure that I've got an even shape at the top, I'm painting that V first as like a little bit of a guide, and then kind of like painting, I guess, like Mickey Mouse ears, if you like. So yeah, that's how I'm creating these hearts. And once I've done all of those and I'm happy with the way that they look, I'm going to cure them for 30 seconds under my LED lamp. And now I'm just coming in with my No Wipe top coat. This is the Kiara Sky No Wipe top coat. I also have a discount code for them as well, Emma10. So make sure you utilise that if you're going to be purchasing any of their gel polishes anytime soon. Yeah, so I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Pop any questions in the comments. This was a really simple design, but I had so much fun doing this. I felt like I could have done it forever. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and if there's anything that you'd like to see me record, then do please leave me your suggestions, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye!